Okay, get out your old juicer, citrus juicer, and juice 2 oranges and 1 lime, or whatever you have on hand. Save the juice in a cup. And blend the equal amount of baking soda with 1 teaspoon of salt and a few bay leaves. Take your citrus peels and blend them real quick. And put your peels into the juice and carry the 2 cups to the bath. And instead of having a bath bomb, you really are combining these 2 things at the time that you're sitting in the bath. And it has the fizzy vitamin C and everything. So this is a homemade, holistic, DIY, vaporized bay and citrus bath bomb that you can easily do from the ingredients in your house. So you end up with about the equal amounts of both, plus all those citrus peels. And you don't want this sitting around in your tub all the time, so you might want to consider putting this into a cloth bag and running the hot water over the citrus peels while while the tub fills. Or separately boil or simmer a pot of hot water with this in it and strain it so that you can add a pitcher of that infusion into the bath. You could do it several ways. And the same with the bay leaf that you've ground up here. You could use a bag or strainer, some kind of strainer. But if you're okay wiping down the tub after a bath, then that's what you should do. You should definitely drain it, wipe it down, and rinse it out, and give it a coating of soap, and hose it down after a light brush scrub. So take care of your tub and take care of you, and especially so if you are concerned about bits going down the tubes of your pipes and everything, then use a muslin cloth bag for the baking soda, and might as well just use a grocery size muslin cloth bag, the vegetable size. And because you know this is going to expand, this is baking soda, and it's going to hit the citric acid from the juice and the peels, and it will start bubbling. So mix it when you're ready and you're in the tub and you have 2 or 3 separate containers to add into one muslin cloth bag, and get it under the water. Squish it around in your hands. Make that tub into one large infusion of bubbling relaxation. Enjoy!